Hey guys, hope you're well. Welcome to the video. Today I would like to share with you one of my favorite ways of braaiing a picanha steak. It's a quick and easy recipe, so without further ado, let's get into it. First thing you need obviously is your steak. I like the picanha cut. It's got a nice fat layer on the one side, some basic barbecue basting sauce and some brown sugar, as well as a bit of garlic butter as well. That always adds a nice flavor to your steak. And then obviously you're going to need a brush just to get it all onto the steak as well. Then what you would like to do is take your basting sauce and your garlic butter and just crush the garlic butter into the sauce. From here on we are going to put this in the microwave so it melts nicely into the sauce and it's nice and easy to put on the steak. After you've done that, you can take a pinch of brown sugar and just sprinkle it into the sauce as well, just for that extra bit of sweetness into your basting sauce. From here on in, what you want to do is take it to the microwave for about 30 seconds to 40 seconds, just so everything melts together nicely. So after you've got your basting sauce back from the microwave, you're going to mix it all nice together, just to ensure that you get that garlic butter nicely into your basting sauce. Next up, you're just going to take your brown sugar and sprinkle it on both sides of your steak, just to give it that nice crispy outer layer. The last part of your preparation is to take your brush and your prepared basting sauce and smear both sides of your steak, ensuring that you have an even covering on both sides. When it comes to braaiing the steak, it's quite a simple process. I like to use hot coals and not have the steak too high above the coals. I turn the steak over every 20 or 30 seconds, and every time just rub it in with some more basting sauce as I turn it over, just to ensure that the steak doesn't dry out. When you're finished with braaiing your steak, I usually like to go for medium rare. It's a simple process of slicing it into smaller pieces, plating it, and of course enjoying it. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, please smash that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. See you again.